Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Chase Ultimate Rewards. Now this is a pretty simple process and I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first step is to sign into your Chase account. Now you can sign into your Chase account on the mobile app, or you can sign in on the website with your computer. And once you sign into your account, you just want to click on credit cards. And now you're going to select the credit card that earns ultimate reward points, and then just click on rewards and then select ultimate rewards, and then you can just browse the reward catalog and select the reward that you want to redeem. And once that's done, you just want to confirm the reward details and then submit the redemption request. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chase Ultimate Rewards. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.